Okay guys, this is your match preview for England women versus Belgium women. England women known as the Lionesses. This is UEFA Women's Nations League. And I'm confident that England women might beat Belgium. We are playing at Ashton Gate, home to Bristol City. We might have Lauren James and Jess Park on the pitch. And also Alessia Russell, and if I'm correct, we might beat Belgium, who knows? But the last time we played against Women's Spain at Wembley Stadium, and there was a power outage, which was pretty unusual. But yeah, we need to play with confidence, keep going forward, because if we are playing against other good teams, we need to be like this every game, and hopefully we'll win the Euros, which is taking place in Switzerland. Anyways, come on England. Thank you for listening. Up the Lions.